Namaste. Welcome to Watch and Learn Hindi. Today, we are going to learn Hindi by watching and listening about Maya's day. I will play a short animated video, and as the video is playing, various activities and events of Maya's day will be narrated in Hindi and Hindi only. Try to follow the Hindi narration by correlating it with what is happening on the screen. If you can't understand everything, that is fine, because after the Hindi narration, I will give you sentence by sentence translation of the whole thing in English. Now before we start, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also, remember to hit the bell icon to get notifications when new videos are posted. If you would like to support the channel, you can do so by buying me a coffee. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like this video. Let's start.
माया का दिन। माया प्रतिदिन सुबह 5:30 बजे उठती है। वह आधे घंटे में तैयार हो जाती है। फिर वह अपने घर के पास वाले बगीचे में जाती है। वहां उसके कई मित्र भी आते हैं। हर सुबह वे लगभग 1 घंटा योग अभ्यास करते हैं। अभ्यास पूरा होने के बाद माया कुछ देर अपने दोस्तों के साथ बातचीत करती है। फिर 7:45 बजे वह घर वापस आ जाती है। घर पर वह और उसका पति मिलकर नाश्ता बनाते और खाते हैं। 8:30 बजे माया काम के लिए निकलती है। उसे अपने कार्यालय पहुंचने में 15 मिनट लगते हैं। सुबह 9 से शाम 6 बजे तक माया कार्यालय में काम करती है। बीच में 1:30 बजे वह दिन का खाना खाती है। शाम को माया पहले अपने पति के ऑफिस जाती है और फिर दोनों साथ साथ वापस घर आते हैं।
So this is Maya's day. Now let us go through each and every Hindi sentence in detail. I will give you sentence by sentence translation in English and also point out the meaning of few selected words in each sentence to make it easy for you to understand the sentence. Maya ka din is Maya's day. And the first sentence was माया प्रतिदिन सुबह 5:30 बजे उठती है. Maya gets up at 5:30 in the morning every day. Here, as you already know from Maya's day, that din is day, and when we say pratidin, it means every day. Subah is morning, and 5:30 is 5:30 or 5:30. 5 is 5, and when we add साढ़े in front of 5, it means 5:30. So, Maya gets up at 5:30 in the morning every day. In Hindi is Maya प्रतिदिन सुबह 5:30 बजे उठती है. वह आधे घंटे में तैयार हो जाती है. She gets ready in half an hour. Here, वह is she, but in Hindi, he and she both have the same word, वह. Here we know वह refers to she because we are talking about Maya. So, वह is she, आधे घंटे is half an hour, and तैयार is to get ready. She gets ready in half an hour. वह आधे घंटे में तैयार हो जाती है. फिर वह अपने घर के पास वाले बगीचे में जाती है. Then she goes to the garden near her home. फिर is then वह, as you already know, here refers to Maya, so it is she. Ghar is home. Paas is close or close by depending on the context. Here, paas wale bagiche means a garden which is close by. Then she goes to the garden near her home. फिर वह अपने घर के पास वाले बगीचे में जाती है. वहां उसके कई मित्र भी आते हैं. Many of her friends also come there. वहां is there, मित्र is friend and कई is many. So many of her friends also come there. वहां उसके कई मित्र भी आते हैं. हर सुबह वे लगभग 1 घंटा योग अभ्यास करते हैं. Every morning they practice yoga for about an hour. Morning here is subah. Har subah is every morning. Ve is they. Lagbhag is approximately or about. 1 घंटा is 1 hour and abhyas is practice. So every morning they practice yoga for about an hour. हर सुबह वे लगभग 1 घंटा योग अभ्यास करते हैं. अभ्यास पूरा होने के बाद माया कुछ देर अपने दोस्तों के साथ बातचीत करती है. After the practice is over, Maya talks with her friends for a while. अभ्यास is practice. कुछ देर is for a while or little while. दोस्तों के साथ is with friends. So after the practice is over, Maya talks with her friends for a while. अभ्यास पूरा होने के बाद माया कुछ देर अपने दोस्तों के साथ बातचीत करती है. फिर 7:45 बजे वह घर वापस आ जाती है. Then at 7:45 she comes back home. फिर, as you already know, means then. 7:45 is 7:45. Here 8 is 8 and when we add paune in front of it, it becomes 7:45. Ghar is home and vapas is to come back. Then at 7:45 she comes back home. फिर 7:45 बजे वह घर वापस आ जाती है. घर पर वह और उसका पति मिलकर नाश्ता बनाते और खाते हैं. At home, she and her husband make and eat breakfast together. घर पर is at home. वह, you know, refers to Maya, so it is she. Pati is husband. Nashta is breakfast. Banana is to make and khana is to eat. So at home she and her husband make and eat breakfast together. घर पर वह और उसका पति मिलकर नाश्ता बनाते और खाते हैं. 8:30 बजे माया काम के लिए निकलती है. At 8:30 Maya leaves for work. 8:30 here is 8:30. काम is work and nikalna is to leave. So at 8:30 Maya leaves for work. 8:30 बजे माया काम के लिए निकलती है. उसे अपने कार्यालय पहुंचने में 15 मिनट लगते हैं. It takes her 15 minutes to reach her office. Karyalay is office. 15 is 15 and minute is just like in English, minutes. So it takes her 15 minutes to reach her office. उसे अपने कार्यालय पहुंचने में 15 मिनट लगते हैं. सुबह 9 से शाम 6 बजे तक माया कार्यालय में काम करती है. From 9 in the morning to 6 in the evening, Maya works in the office. सुबह is morning, 9 is 9, शाम is evening and 6 is 6. Karyalay, as you already know, is office and Kam is work. So, from 9 in the morning to 6 in the evening, Maya works in the office. सुबह 9 से शाम 6 बजे तक माया कार्यालय में काम करती है. बीच में 1:30 बजे वह दिन का खाना खाती है. In between, at 1:30, she eats lunch. Beach means between or in between. Here it means in between. 1:30 baje is 1:30. If you remember 5:30 and 8:30 from before, you will see that 1:30 is spoken differently in Hindi. So if you want to learn how to tell time in Hindi, check out my video, Learn to Tell Time in Hindi Like a Native Speaker. The link is in the description. Vah, here is she. And lunch is din ka khana. Din is day, khana is food. So din ka khana is lunch. In between, at 1:30, she eats lunch. बीच में 1:30 बजे वह दिन का खाना खाती है. शाम को माया पहले अपने पति के ऑफिस जाती है और फिर दोनों साथ साथ घर वापस आते हैं. This is a long sentence, so I have split it into two because it is connected with an and. So let's look at the first part first. शाम को माया पहले अपने पति के ऑफिस जाती है. In the evening, Maya first goes to her husband's office. Sham is evening, pehle is first, pati is husband, and I have used the word office because even though the literal word in Hindi for office is karyalay, you will quite often hear the word office being used. So if you don't remember the word karyalay, you can use the word office and everybody will understand. In the evening, Maya first goes to her husband's office. शाम को माया पहले अपने पति के ऑफिस जाती है और फिर दोनों साथ साथ घर वापस आते हैं. And then the two come home together. और is and, फिर is then, साथ साथ is together, and घर, you know, is home. So, and then the two come home together. और फिर दोनों साथ साथ घर वापस आते हैं. Now, let's look at the whole sentence together. शाम को माया पहले अपने पति के ऑफिस जाती है और फिर दोनों साथ साथ घर वापस आते हैं. In the evening, Maya first goes to her husband's office and then the two come home together. I hope you liked this video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for the latest videos posted.